In this lesson, you will learn how to find the horizontal asymptote of rational functions. Now, before we begin, it is important to keep in mind that horizontal asymptote depends on the degree of the polynomials. For example, if we are given to find the horizontal asymptote of f of s equal x all over x squared plus 1, how do we find the horizontal asymptote of these? Solution. Remember, we focus on the terms with the highest degree. For the top, we have that our x, it's degree 1, which is over x squared, and the rest of the term we would discard. And if we go further to break this, we are going to have this will cancel out this x, so we have 1 all over x. So as x approaches infinity, we are going to have this will mean 1 all over infinity, which is equal 0. So in this case, our horizontal asymptote will be equal 0. Let's take another example where the degree of the numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator. Okay, if you are given to evaluate f of x equal 2x squared plus 1 all over x squared minus 1. So let's go ahead to evaluate this. Remember, we focus only on the terms with the highest degree. At the top, we'll have 2x squared. At the bottom, we have only x squared. So we see that x squared can cancel out x squared here. So what do we have left will be 2. So our horizontal asymptote will be equal 2. Let's take one more example where the degree of the numerator is equal or is greater than the degree of the denominator. If we are given that our f of x is equal x squared all over x plus 1. Now to solve this, we'll see that the relevant term here is going to be for the top only x squared and for the bottom only x, and this will imply that x can cancel out x. Here we have x left. So, and this will mean that there is no horizontal asymptote. Therefore, there is no horizontal asymptote. So if we take a summary of horizontal asymptote, we'll see if the top, which is the numerator, is less than the bottom, then our horizontal asymptote will be 0. If the top is equal to the bottom, our horizontal asymptote will be the ratio of the leading coefficient. And if the bottom is greater than the top, then there is no horizontal asymptote. If you find our video helpful, we will appreciate if you can like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.